Hey everybody, it's Kim from On Time Edge. Today we're going to talk about how to connect a WiBox to Apogean software so you can capture the data coming in from the digital signals on your machine and make the data available to any MES package. Apogean outputs multiple protocols, MT Connect, OPC UA, and so on, and this makes the data easily accessible. So here's a typical WiBox. Currently this one has no lid, no connections, but in your case this connector right here is the one that gets used for reading signals from your equipment. If you have this already connected, then you're already receiving data into the multi-DNC system and you have access to those dashboards and reports. What we're trying to do today is we're going to make the same data available to multiple MES systems with no effect on your existing installation, and that way you can use any MES package you like. You can have multiple packages all accessing the data simultaneously. All these options are available. Thanks. Alright, so let's get started with the installation. So we're going to run through the steps. First thing we do is we pick what type of connection we want. In this case we want a WiBox. After that we're going to put in the IP address of the WiBox, and then we're going to just continue through the install until we get to the end, and you'll notice that the software is now going to run through and set everything up for us. Alright, so now that the installation routine is complete and the software is ready to use, we pull up the web interface. We get the home page, which is a dashboard showing various attributes about the equipment and the activity over the last 24 hours. What we want to do is jump over into the setup. We're going to click on WiBox inputs, and you'll notice right away we've got the 8 inputs on the WiBox. We can see the IP address that we entered during the installation program. We've got an indicator telling us that the connection is available. We have a packet counter that's incrementing each time data is being exchanged between Apogean and the WiBox. We've got a connection date, time stamp, and then below that we've got this visualization showing us the current state of the 8 inputs on the WiBox in real time as we're getting data and as the machine is running. So once the data is coming in like this, what we want to do is we want to map the 8 inputs to profile tags, and so in this case WiBox input number 3 maps into my profile into a tag that I created called WiBox spindle. And if we look into the profile, these are all the tags. Down here is the WiBox spindle tag, and you can see that it is changing between 0 and 1 as the data coming off of the equipment is updating. All these tags are then published in MQTT, MT Connect, OPC UA, and also to the SESMI SMIP if you're using the SESMI SMIP. So Apogean can easily connect to a WiBox, collect the data, and make all those data points available for you to MES system, whatever that may be. Here we have an option to be able to start and stop and save. So if we want to change the IP address, we can stop the service, change the IP address, save it, and then restart the service, and it'll come back up and running again, and we'll see the packet counter increment as long as we've got a functioning IP address. Thanks.